Hello friends, in this video we will see how you can map your existing database on a new I.D.M.A.S file. So this new I.D.M.A.S file can be downloaded by another resource or another person in your company, and that person needs to access the database. So for that, all you need to do is download the new version of I.D.M.A.S on your system, and to see or to understand how to download the version on your computer, please check out the first video in this series. You will find the link on the top. Now, assuming that this is the file which has been downloaded, I open the file again, and once we open this file, since this is for the first time this file has been opened, click on Enable Editing and then click on Enable Content, and then it says Welcome to I.D.M.A.S Registration. If you are new, then complete this registration form. In the second video we had seen that since your company is new, that is the reason we went ahead and completed the registration form. Your company is already registered with I.D.M.A.S and you already have the database on your network. So you need to click on the second one. You need to go ahead with the second option that we have, else click Map Database if you want to map your existing data. Click OK. After you click OK, you don't have to go through this detail again because your company is already registered. Click on Map Database. Once you click on Map Database, it will ask you for the database location. So I have the location over here. If you remember, we were doing all the training in this folder, and this is the file that I need to map. I will go ahead and click over here and hit enter, or you can browse it through the network location that you have and you can select the folder. This is the file, so I click on this and click on Open. After I click on Open, I.D.M.A.S will validate the file, and then it gives you the message. If the file is properly validated, it will say File Validation Success. Please log in now with your username and password. Click OK. So this section is now blank because we did not fill in anything, but over here you will see that the network location for your file is mapped. Now let us use the user2 login, name2, and if you remember, we gave limited permissions to user2, name2. So let us see how does that show in I.D.M.A.S main menu. Name2 and the password is 2222. There we go. If you remember, we had given very less options to name2. We only gave name2 the option to record expenses and employee database. If you need to refer to that video, do check out the link on the top. You can check out that video. And over here, if you see now, employee database access is yes, rest everything is no other than expense data access. The reason this person also has the analysis window, because this person is already able to visit or check out all the recorded expenses. That is the reason this person can click on this and check out what the total expenses for the company are. Return home, and if you click on record expenses, it will again try to pull up the records, and you will see the same records over here. Similarly, if the person clicks on employee database, this person will be able to see name1 and name2 himself over here. So we are back on the main menu. So friends, I hope that you found this video useful, and if you found this video useful, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up icon, that is the like button down there. And in case if you have any questions, please do put them in the comments below, and we will definitely get back to you at the earliest.